y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanitra's Latrice, and you already seen the thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous flirtatious beauty right here, honey. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is Luv Me Hair Effortless Elegant Brown Highlight Bouncy Curly Minimalistic HD Lace Pre-Cut Glueless Wig, honey. And yes, if you want something flirty, if you want something stunning, look no further. I am wearing this in the color brown highlight, but you're able to get it in two other colors as well. You're able to get it in a gorgeous natural black and a beautiful ginger ombre color as well. This unit comes in two lengths. It comes in a 10 and a 12, and I am wearing the 12-inch length. The density on this unit is 150%, so it's not too thin and it's not too thick. It is just the right amount to give you that fullness but lightweight at the same time. The lace type on this unit is HD lace. Like honey, look at that gorgeousness right there. You cannot tell me that you see any lace because it melts perfect on your skin. The parting on this unit comes in a default left C part. That's the only option that you would get with this unit. So if you're looking for something else, you will not get it with this unit because it only comes in a left C part. The lace area is a minimalistic lace. You will only get lace in the parting and on the hairline. The hair type is 100% human hair. This unit comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. This unit comes with an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. And speaking of glueless, yes, this unit is 100% glueless. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. Do you get shading on this unit? Just a little bit. It is extremely limited on this unit. It's not overwhelming, just a strand here and there, but nothing to worry about. And is this unit beginner friendly? Absolutely yes, hands down it is. No worries, it can be for beginner, advanced, intermediate, anyone in between. You are able to get this unit and put it on with ease. Now let's talk a little bit about the features on this unit. This unit comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. You do not have to worry about any glue or adhesive. Just put it on and go. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. Now you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair rat tail comb, a Luv Me Hair hair clip, a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. Now if you're interested in seeing just how easy it is to put this unit on, how it came right out of the box, stay tuned and I'll be back with my pros and cons, details, and a coupon code. What's everybody, welcome back to another video. Yes, so let's get into it. This is gonna be a short video because I can already tell you this is gonna be super quick and easy to put on, so let's go ahead and do so. Prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. All right y'all, so here she go, put on, and she looks cute. Like, look at that. This looks very cute. I am loving the curl, you already know. Okay, and y'all see this hairline. This hairline is amazing as well. In the lace, we about to get into it because y'all see that halo and that ain't cute, so we're gonna get that fixed up. But first I'm gonna clip this hair back so that we can get into this lace. We got it pulled back. I'm just gonna cut this little bit right here. So let's fix this halo. We're gonna melt this lace, but y'all already know. Now Roby, we're just gonna put it around the hairline. Moody. Oh, you big Moody. I crave loving. Alright, so while the lace is melting and doing its thing, we're gonna get into these curls. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna separate the curls, go through each one of it and finger comb as well.
But I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I left the water beside, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah.
Here she is in all her glory. Okay, look at her. She looks so cute. I am really enjoying this wig, and this color is so cute. It's like just the right amount of color. So let's go ahead and take this band off. Oh, look at that. That looks so amazing. I am loving it. That looks so good. Okay, so we're gonna fix this lace on this side because that's showing a little bit. So we're gonna fix that. I'll clip this back for a little while. Just for a little while. And I'm just gonna put some powder, some leftover powder that I used on my makeup earlier. And we're gonna put it on the lace so it's not so white. And we're gonna do it like that. Okay, that helped it. That helped it a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna bring some hair over to help camouflage the lace a little bit. Take this off. Boom. And we are done. What else do we need to do? But go out and look fabulous. That's all we need to do. Okay, look at her. We done. Super easy to put on. You can't get no easier. You can't get no quicker than this. Okay, you were on the fence. Had me get off of it because this is it right here. So cute, so amazing. Like, look at the curls and the color. Like, it's perfection. It's great for the holiday that's coming, which is Valentine's, baby. Okay, get ready, because this is a very flirtatious type of wig. Okay, get ready for Valentine's, for Mother's Day, for anniversary, for date night. This is a nice wig. I can see wearing this with a sexy dress or a wrap dress with some cute heels on, baby. Yes, and will steal the spotlight because this is amazing. Look at that. So pretty, so effortless, just absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you the back. About putting this in your wig rotation, just go get it. Now let's get into the pros and cons of this unit, starting with the cons. One of the cons to this unit is that it has limited parting. You only get this in the left seat part, so if you want to put it in the middle or do a right side part, you will not get that option with this unit. Another con to this unit is that you only get two lengths, a 10 and a 12. That's it. That's all. You're not getting any more lengths out of this unit. Okay, so if you want it longer, you out of luck. But if you want it shorter, all you gotta do is cut it. But I feel like it's a good length at the 12-inch. Now let's get into the pros, honey. Now, honey, I love the pros. The pros that I love on this unit is that it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. Love it, love it, love it. It looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. You can't get no better than that, okay? Another pro to this unit is that it has multiple color options. I have reviewed the other two color options, so I will leave them linked in the cards and in the description box below if you would like to see those other colors. It comes in a natural black, which was gorgeous. It comes in a ginger ombre color. Honey, stunning, stunning. So this unit will absolutely last you. With the natural black, I did a first impression install, and I also did a 6-month update. So if you want to see the longevity of this unit, check out that video. You are not gonna go wrong with this unit. This is absolutely an amazing unit. Another pro to this unit is that it is beginner friendly and extremely easy to install. Okay, so you can just grab this out the box, put it on, figure comb the curls out, probably do a little something with the lace depending on your skin tone, and you are good to go. It's not hard, it's not too much, you don't have to mess with no glue or anything. It's really easy. It's truly a beginner friendly unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!